5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're done!
Yeah! So, what do you think?
I wish I lived there.
Really?
No.
None of you wet-heads would last a minute on my turf.
Do we have to wear pickle jars?
Well, who cares about a stupid star?
Gee, Patrick, it seems like you would care a lot about stupid stars, considering you are one.
Boom. Roasted.
Just get out of here, you stupid, dumb animal!
Oh, that was a foul!
Tell it to your mama, Squidward!
Great, Squidward, you finished. What's your wish?
My wish is that the people of Bikini Bottom will stop paying any attention to the inane dribble that is constantly streaming out of this dunderhead's mouth.
Gee, Squidward, maybe Santa will bring me a dictionary so I can understand what you just said.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street under the sun.
Let me guess, Tiny, a small salad?
I'll take a double triple bossy deluxe on a raft, 4x4 animal style, extra shingles with a shimmy and a squeeze, light axle grease, make it cry, burn it and let it swim.
We serve food here, sir.
Take that pile of filth out.
You shouldn't talk about Squidward like that.
I've heard better comebacks from a turkey sandwich. Get alive!
Squidward.
Likes Patrick more than Spongebob.
And Patrick is a dirty, stinky, rotten friend stealer!
Are you mad? Shut your mouth, you mediocre clarinet player.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down